Manual instruction of lighting door handle for Tesla. Check the accessories according to the list first before installation. First, remove the front door panel by taking out the screws on the door as the mark here. Then remove this trim panel. Take out the front door panel and unplug the cable. After unplugging all the cables, take out the interior sound insulation cotton of the door. The second step is to remove the glass. Remove the screws at the positions marked in the figure first. Then remove the waterproof rubber stop and screws. Then remove the rubber strip. The glass can be removed now. The third step is to remove the interior panel. Unplug the wiring of the interior panel in order. Remove the screws distributed along the interior panel. Remove the interior panel. The fourth step is to remove the original handle. The fifth step is to install our door handle. Remove the original sensor on the handle and install it to our electric handle. Install the electric handle to the door. Align the holes and tighten the screws back. Insert the control wires into the holes in sequence. Pull out the original control cable and connect it to our control line. Then insert the control cable into the hole. Plug this control line into this hole. Install the door handle system. At last, tidy up the wires. Connect the wire to the hole shown in the picture. Insert the connecting wire into the corresponding hole. Then connect the door handle system controller. Fix the system controller in this position. The seventh step is connect to the power. Negative terminal position is shown here. The wire passed through here to connect the negative terminal, and then pass through this position. After passing through the holes before can connect to the negative terminal. Put the cover back in place at the positive ground position. Please replace the cover. Finally, use a tie to organize the wires and restore the panel back. Tighten all the screws back. Restore the wires. And the glass. Screw for glass. Restore the rubber strip. Organize the wires. Put in the waterproof rubber stop. Install the insulation cotton. Fix the controller here. Finally, put the trim panel back in place. Fix it with screws. Restore the interior panel on the seat. The installation of the door handle has been done. Similar steps to the rear door. But the internal structures of the front and rear doors are different. Disconnect the wire. Remove all the screws in turn. Remove the rubber strip. Then remove the glass. Install the rear door handle and control system. Remove the original door handle. Replace the sensor. Install the door handle. Tighten the screws. Connect and organize the wiring harness as shown in the figure. Put the glass back. Fix it with screws. Install the rubber strip back. Fix it with screws. Restore the position of the wiring harness. Finally, install the trim panel back. Fix it with screws. That's it for the installation.